Why did you stop? How not to deal with traffic lights. Heading south into town, along the A167, coming up to a bus lane, which is in operation, but local knowledge tells us that we need to be in the right-hand lane to go straight ahead, which is where we're going. So we're keeping in the right-hand lane, keeping a reasonable distance away from the vehicle in front because it's raining. Up ahead we have a set of traffic lights. They've been on green for as long as we've been able to see them. So we're expecting them to change as we come up to them, and there they are, they're changing, but the car in front decides to stop at the advanced stoplight. This is there so that the people behind the white line can see the traffic lights clearly. There is no white line in front of her, so she shouldn't be stopping. This can be quite dangerous because we could have rear-ended her. The traffic on the left-hand side can't go, so the whole junction is blocked off. Clearly a lack of knowledge by the driver in front could have caused a serious accident. Why not check out the videos in the top right-hand corner to see how to drive around Darlington safely. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive.